Street Stocks, Bud Light Street Stocks, you need to be in the chute for your feature event. Bud Light Street Stocks, last call, you need to be in the chute for your feature. Green flag is out. Lightning McGrimshaw going to lead him down into turn number 1. Sonny Ratliff trying to go back-to-back after that first feature win in the second spot. Here comes the 24, BJ Grimshaw into the third spot. Out front in the 95, where he's been so many times this year, is Josh Grimshaw. Trying to pick up a race win, had the race lead, had it in the bag last week. Contact with a lap car. Ended his night early in that 95 machine. He's going to come up on that same lap car. Different driver behind the wheel this week, as he's going to look to the outside of the 74C of Crystal Yachts. Ratliff going to stay right there in that second spot. Third spot, BJ Grimshaw. 4 spots, Ben Lahane. Joe Shreve rounds out your top 5. Yacht's going to pull it to the infield. Calls a night early in the 74C machine. Grimshaw's got 10 laps left to go in that 95. Sonny Ratliff not letting him get away. Those two have now pulled away from the third place battle that's on board with the 1 and the 24. Grimshaw now going to work the outside of Crookshank as they come down the front straightaway. Grimshaw going to work to the outside now. Crookshank going to put the squeeze on him, gives him enough room down the back straightaway. Grimshaw out to now a 4-second lead over Ratliff. Contact with the 23 machine. He's going to keep it gathered back up. He lost one last week with the lap car. In danger just about of losing another one there. He's going to continue to work that high line and just put on a clinic with just 2 laps left to go. He's now going to work to the outside of the 74R. Makes quick work of Robert Tanner as the white flag comes out, one more lap around. Checker flag is out. Josh Lightning McGrimshaw picks up another feature win here in the SCDRA 4-cylinders. Second spot's going to go to Sonny Ratliff. Third spot to BJ Grimshaw. spot will be BJ Grimshaw. Fourth spot will be Ben Lahane. Fifth spot will go to Justin Saunders. How about it? Another feature win, padding that points lead. He's out of Beaver, West Virginia. Ka-chow! Lightning McGrimshaw back in victory lane.